Hey Andreas, hey, I got your video or your message. I'm going to respond via a video message. It'll be a lot easier to show you what you're asking about. I think what you're talking about is this guy here that I have on some of the photos on the website. This is one I used to sell. I actually been meaning to put this on the Boneyard to sell it there as well. I had it on the original, the front page along with the one that you bought for some time, but I just felt like the other one was so much better that I took this one off. But I do have a few of these left over if you're interested in one of these. So this one is, you can find these from espritmodel.com, espritmodel.com. They're out of Florida. In order to get this to work, you'll need this as well as at this size range. You have to buy separately the yoke that fits that. I use a 42. On the website, I think they say for this size, they suggest a 46-inch long yoke, which works as well. I just found that the 42 also works. It's still long enough, and it just has a little tighter, cleaner look to it. Plus, when they, excuse me, when they call a propeller, for example, a 15-inch folding propeller, it's always under the assumption of a 42-millimeter long yoke, and so if you do a longer one, it's just going to be off a little bit. It's not enough to worry about. Like, for example, on this one, the one that you're getting, it actually has a 46 by default millimeter long yoke, so if you put a 15-inch long prop on it, it's going to actually be like 15.15 something inches long, which is not enough to even worry about. But anyway, so this one is the one that you're getting, just for a comparison. I print this part, and that goes on the back here, and I have that glued on, so when you get it, it should be all ready to go. The Cobra motor is a 5mm shaft, and that's what this is designed around. And then this comes with the little Allen's wrench as well to be able to tighten that down so that everything's all locked in there. I just like these a lot better as far as durability. When you nose this down to the ground, the worst case scenario that I've had so far is that it's dented up this, but it's still good to go, where these ones pretty much if you hit it in the nose it's going to break because this is plastic here. As far as looks, I probably like this one a little bit better, the looks on it, but that's really the only thing it's got going for it. It is a little bit heavier too. When you add this and this all together, you've got about 31.5 grams. I just measured it a minute ago, where this one you've got about 22.5 grams, so it's a little bit lighter, even though it's more rugged as well. Anyway, so I hope that helps, hope that answers your questions. Your order was shipped out yesterday. It's going priority mail. Looks like it's a 3-day ship to your address, and so you should be expecting that this Saturday, July the 22nd. So hopefully everything in the package is as you had hoped, and let me know if that's not the case. And I'm here if you have any questions during the mod process as well. Great, thanks. Good to talk to you the other day, and we'll catch you later. Thanks, Andreas.